Hey, what is going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago I installed the body armor Hiline wings, which are these babies right over here. And if you're interested in watching that installation video, just go ahead and click on this link right on that corner over there. And at the same time, I was also able to mount the Nilight LED light bars, which you can see here on both sides. But at this moment, they're not connected. It was my mistake. I didn't realize that the light kit that Nilight sent to me did not come with the harness or the switch or the relay. So in this video, we are addressing just that. So stick around and let's get right to it. Right out of the box, this is what we have for the Nilight LED light bar. And for all of you guys who are interested in finding out more about the product, I will be posting them on the description down below, so check it out. But anyway, this is the 7-inch LED light bar, and I can just show you the measurement here from end to end, including the housing is about 7 inches, and the light itself is 6 inches. So again, this is what came right out of the box. We have the two light bars. We have a couple styles of mounting brackets here. There's a longer one here and a shorter one. And don't forget, we also have the L brackets from the Hiline kit. So let me see what will fit best. And also comes with some bolts and the typical hardware that comes with the kit. Let's just do a dry fit. We'll install it like so. Yep. That's how it's going to look like, more or less, once it's installed. Again, let's pick the proper bracket to hold it together, and we'll take it from there. All right, so first let's get rid of these brackets that we don't need. Get them out of the way. And also these longer brackets are not needed, at least not for this installation. So let's get rid of those as well. And let's start by mounting the L brackets onto the light bars using the body armor provided L brackets here. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's grab a washer, then the L bracket, and another washer, then a lock washer, and the bolt. Do the same thing for the other side. Again, it's a washer, L bracket, washer, lock nut, and the bolt. Just hand tight everything right now, because you need to be able to maneuver this entire assembly here into this hole. And once you tighten it, it's going to be very hard to slide it in. So there we go. So now that you have that in, all you got to do now is tighten the bolts on both sides. And let me just turn this around here. Hopefully you can see that L bracket right here. Just need to install the nut and bolt washer and lock washer on this side, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I just finished mounting the LED light bar onto the wing, and this is the driver's side. And as you can see, it's all nice and centered. We got the brackets on both sides. All right. So now we'll finish up the passenger side, and we can start mounting it onto the truck. As you can see here, they are now mounted onto the wing. And let me just go over the specs here quickly. And again, thank you to Nilight for providing me these LED light bars to test. And these are the Nilight 7-inch 30-watt 3000 lumen LED light bars, and they're expected to last about 50,000 hours. So that's plenty of hours to last you a lifetime. These Nilight LEDs come with the aluminum PCB smart boards, and they come with the brightest high-tech OSRAM LED lights, and these are waterproof And the lenses and the seals are made out of impact resistant polycarbonate lens that will never yellow apparently, so that remains to be seen. But I've used quite a bit of the Nilight products and I'm very satisfied with them so far. As you can see here, I already have an LED light bar installed onto the bumper guard, and I also have the ditch lights and also another LED light bar on top. So as you can imagine, I have quite a bit of switches already installed in the truck. And what I'm going to do at this point is I would like to connect these LED light bars with this LED light bar here, so both are activated when I turn them on. To me, it makes sense. They're both on the bumper guard, and I would like to simultaneously have them on. So at this point, we only need some 18 gauge wires, and we'll tap them into that connection for that LED light bar, and will be controlled by the same relay and the same switch. When I mounted these wings, I made sure that the wiring harness for the LED light bars are easily accessible, so I was able to pull them out easily. And this is for the passenger side. And we have the driver side wiring over here, and I also located the wiring harness for the middle LED light bar. So what we're going to do is connect those two wing LED light bars and then tap them onto this wiring harness. Since this already has the relay right over here and the fuse and the switch connected to it, we should all be good. As you can see here, this is the wiring diagram, and I don't think I need to show you how to connect the wires. So all you got to do is follow this diagram and you should be okay. All right, so the wiring's all done. Let's check it out. Looks like we got power and it's looking good. Let's check out the other side. It's all good. And so next step, I guess, is we'll test it out at night and we'll see how bright this one is. So there you have it, guys. Installation is all done, and I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. Please like and subscribe, help me grow my channel. And again, I'll be posting all the product information on the description below. If you have any comments, questions, please post them down in the comment section below. And until the next time, but for now, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.